Hey, hello friends, Ritesh here. Welcome to my channel again. This is Sickles Tank channel, and today's topic about the how I reset up all those things we're gonna discuss in that video. So stay tuned, my friends.
Welcome again friends, Ritesh here. This is Secret Tank channel and today's topic about how I did reset up my tank. All those things we're going to discuss in that video. So let's start. Look my friend, this is my new skipping. I just skipping large space front of my tank because according to my haps and because they need large space to swim because they around 6 inches. That's why I push my all setup backward to my tank because that will help my haps and peacocks to swimming very well and easily, and every inches matter for your aquarium. I told you my previous videos my friends, that's why I'm thinking on that and I applied it finally. You can see this is some free space right corner of my tank. I kept it purposefully because open swimmers, haps and peacocks can uh, freely and relaxing here very well. That's why I kept that purposefully. As well as you can analyze and observing, I kept large caves because according to my fishes uh, around 4 inches to 6 inches. That's why I kept large caves as well as I kept some small cases. You have to see on the screen. I hope you have seen on the screen some small caves are there for baby secrets. That's a matter every fishes. You need to understand and you need to care of all kind of fishes and all kind of size of fishes. So that's why I'm showing all those things to my friend. I also told you my previous videos about substrate. My substrate, you have to see on the screen. This is a very clean. I'm always taking care of that because I'm telling you substrate helps to survive ammonia, and you need to understand your substrate. Make sure your substrate is a very clean because of fish food and fish wastage. Ammonia growing very fast onto the substrate. That's why I'm telling you in my every video, your substrate uh, must be clean, and you need to understand, you need to thinking, and you need to study about your substrate and make sure your substrate is very fine. Look, this is my strawberry cichlid. This is a 7 inches, as well as my Venusters, and all the cichlids are there. My Oratus cichlid. Lots of aggression I can deal with help of that technique. My electric blue always. Cadango female is there. Red top zebra, Labradorianus, dolphin muri, all the cichlids, and this is my happy cichlid family. So this is my cichlid family, and I having lots of peacocks, hap, and embuna. Different kind of embuna are there. This is my sulfur head, Fuscotaneous as well. This is a very aggressive guy, and this is a real predator fish in a Lake Malawi. Then make sure your tank is a bigger. Then and then only you can keep like that predators like a Venustus, Livingstonia, as well as Fuscotaneous. The guys are growing up to 10 inches. Then I don't want to recommend you keeping that guys because they are very aggressive. So make sure your tank is up to 125 gallon. Then and then only you should keep that guys. This is my red zebra. This is a very handsome guy, and this is 1 year old. I love this guy especially because he is a very angry young man and he is very territorial. If you want to keeping African secrets, then there are very different part like feeding, quality food, changing water, 20% water changing in a week, as well as 27 degrees Celsius water temperature maintain pH of water like a 7.2 to 8.6. All those things that are very basic but very difficult to maintain. So understand all those things that will help you lot in a hobby. So let's talk about again our reskipping. I think you seen properly. This is a reskipping which I did for them, and they are very happy changing behavior, and they are very happy. And I don't have any kind of words. I didn't see like that activity behind because after some time there are some aggression. That's why some fishes are still remain very small because of aggression. They don't want to fight with other fishes which are very aggressive and big. So they always try to stay in a shadow, all those things happening with them. So always you need to thinking about them also. That's why skipping is a very important thing according to me, and I am always recommending you, please my friends, always thinking about the small fishes which they are non-colorful. Also people thinking about only for the colorful fishes, but please don't do that because every fish is important, and according to that you need to changing changes. You should changes in your aquarium. Only that thing I want to share with you. That's why I'm just thinking about that, and I applied all those things. That why you see my tank is very active and happy. I want to say you my friends, every fish matter for us because every good fish keeper need every and each kind of a fish, because lots of people thinking about only colorful fishes, not non-color fishes. But please don't do that. uh, when they growing large, definitely they will also getting color, but you need to understand how to grow that small fishes. Obviously small fishes scared to large fishes. That's why they need some kind of a shelter, or you can say hiding places. When they hide there, they can build their confidence very well, especially when you're keeping African cichlid and mixed Malawi cichlid. Then you need to understand according to setup as well as open water swimmers. Open water swimmers need not to like caves and shelter, because they are open water swimmers. They are real predators. That's why they swimming everywhere throughout your tank. Only embunas are dwelling the sand and playing around the rocks. They are always busy with their territory, but they are not much sorry, haps are not much territorial than the embunas, but embunas are a very territorial fish. Then you need to you should understand behavior of each and every fish of your aquarium. So that will help you lot. Onto the screen you have to see there are Meloratus. He has been claimed their area and he's been relaxing there. One more thing I want to share with you, my friends, when you're making aquascaping and hardscaping, whatever it may be, you're putting rocks in your aquarium, make sure you're having lots of free space, because only you need to understand free space must need in your aquarium. Then, and if you're having a lot more area in your aquarium, in other word I want to say, if having a bigger tank, then and then only you can making a skip like that, because the free space is very important for fishes.
Through that video, I want to share only one message. When you making aquascape, then you will get help to breaking line of sight of your fishes, and definitely your fish will be busy in that. That's only thing I want to share with you, how it is important in a Malawi cichlid tank. And when you give it, definitely you give them proper habitat. So thank you my friends, stay safe, stay happy, stay tank, and save animals.
The seasons turn and change just like your mind. like the sun